Warehousing is a fundamental logistics function that supports the storage, handling, and movement of goods throughout the supply chain. According to the CLTD framework, a warehouse is a facility where goods and materials are stored in anticipation of demand or disposition, while warehousing encompasses the activities related to receiving, storing, and shipping materials to and from production or distribution locations. Modern warehouses have evolved far beyond simple storage facilities and now serve as dynamic distribution and fulfillment centers that support multiple order channels, customer requirements, and value-added services. Warehousing strategies must align with organizational objectives, supply chain strategies, and customer expectations to ensure efficient operations, effective inventory management, and superior service performance. Warehouses perform several essential roles that contribute to organizational success and supply chain effectiveness. They help meet customer demand by receiving, storing, and distributing products as needed while aligning supply with fluctuating demand patterns. Warehouses also serve as buffers against uncertainty by holding inventory to protect against disruptions, shortages, and demand variability. Additionally, they improve operational efficiency through activities such as sortation, consolidation, break bulk operations, accumulation, and assortment assembly. Warehouses increasingly support postponement strategies, final assembly operations, reverse logistics, and information sharing across supply chain partners. These functions help organizations improve responsiveness, reduce costs, increase flexibility, and maintain high customer service levels in competitive markets. Warehouse management involves a variety of cost categories that significantly impact total logistics expenditures. Major warehouse costs include facility expenses such as rent, lease payments, construction costs, insurance, and property taxes. Building service costs include utilities, maintenance, depreciation, security, and cleaning. Labor costs typically represent one of the largest expense categories and encompass wages, salaries, benefits, training, overtime, payroll taxes, and safety equipment. Equipment-related costs include depreciation, leasing, maintenance, repairs, operating supplies, and fuel. Additional overhead expenses include administration, information technology, telecommunications, office equipment, legal services, and management functions. Understanding these cost components allows organizations to identify improvement opportunities and make informed warehouse investment decisions. Organizations use different accounting methods to allocate warehouse costs and evaluate operational performance. Traditional costing assigns a single overhead rate across all warehouse users regardless of actual resource consumption. While simple to administer, this approach may inaccurately distribute costs and potentially subsidize certain customers or products. Activity-based costing, ABC, provides a more precise alternative by tracing costs to activities and assigning expenses based on actual resource utilization. ABC identifies cost drivers such as order volume, picking activity, storage requirements, or handling complexity. Costs are then assigned according to the customer's or product's actual use of warehouse services. This approach improves visibility into profitability, supports pricing decisions, and helps managers identify inefficiencies and opportunities for operational improvement. Warehouse managers face numerous challenges and emerging trends that influence strategic planning and operational execution. Increasing customer expectations require faster delivery, higher accuracy, and customized services such as kitting, repackaging, labeling, and specialized fulfillment. Technological advancements continue to drive automation, robotics, warehouse management systems, autonomous mobile robots, and real-time inventory visibility. Environmental sustainability initiatives encourage energy-efficient facilities, alternative equipment, and waste reduction programs. Organizations must also address space constraints, rising property costs, workforce shortages, talent development, and increasing complexity associated with omni-channel fulfillment. Effective environmental scanning using steeple analysis helps organizations understand social, technological, economic, environmental, political, legal, and ethical factors that shape warehouse strategies and future competitive requirements. Warehouse ownership structures vary according to business requirements, operational priorities, and financial considerations. Private warehouses are owned and operated by organizations and generally become more economical at higher throughput volumes because fixed costs are spread across larger activity levels. They provide greater control, security, customer service capabilities, and operational flexibility. Public or contracted warehouses, including third-party logistics providers, offer variable cost structures that are particularly attractive when demand fluctuates or throughput volumes remain relatively low. Organizations may also utilize sale and leaseback arrangements to improve cash flow while retaining facility access. Selecting the appropriate ownership model requires balancing cost considerations with factors such as control requirements, market density, service expectations, and operational flexibility. Modern warehouses increasingly provide specialized services that create competitive advantages and enhance customer value. Beyond traditional storage and distribution, warehouses may perform cross-docking, postponement, final assembly, reverse logistics, inventory tracking, merchandising, and order management activities. Specialized facilities support cold chain operations, hazardous materials storage, automated storage and retrieval systems, and omni-channel fulfillment. Value-added services may include kitting, promotional labeling, packaging customization, sequencing, sorting, break bulk operations, consolidation, and display assembly. Advanced technologies such as automation, robotics, drones, RFID systems, and warehouse management software further expand warehouse capabilities. As supply chains become more customer-focused and technology-driven, warehouses continue evolving into strategic assets that contribute directly to organizational performance, customer satisfaction, and competitive differentiation.